Hi, my name's Christine Atencia and I'm a Senior Financial Advisor at Nexia, Sydney. Welcome to my video blog series on financial planning for families. In this week's topic, I'm going to be talking about how to future-proof your family's assets, also known as estate planning. Now, estate planning covers two critical issues. Firstly, what happens to your assets in the event that you pass away? And secondly, what happens and who takes control over your finances and your lifestyle decisions should you no longer be able to do so yourself. And I wanted to start off by firstly highlighting the three very common misconceptions when it comes to estate planning. The first misconception is really around the assumption that assets will automatically be reverted to the surviving spouse or partner. And ultimately, it really depends on what state or territory you live in. So this is not an automatic thing. Secondly, the misconception that you feel like you don't have any assets and so therefore you don't need an estate plan. Firstly, you probably have superannuation, which is essentially an asset. And secondly, another critical asset that you do have are your children. So start having a think about who will take care of them if you and your spouse were no longer in the picture. And thirdly, the misconception that a will, if you do have one in place, covers all of your assets. Unfortunately, this also isn't the case. The will covers some assets, but it doesn't cover others. So for example, superannuation, if you've got any trusts or companies in place or any life insurance policies held outside of super. So if you really want to provide or have that certainty of where your assets are going to go, then it's really important to speak to your financial advisor as well as your legal professional who will be able to ultimately draft those estate planning documents up for you. They should be able to draft you a will which a good legal professional will be able to tailor it specifically according to your wishes. Secondly, drawing up powers of attorney and putting those instructions in place of who you'd like to nominate should you no longer be able to make financial or lifestyle decisions. And thirdly, make sure that you've got a death benefit nomination in place for super. I hope this was helpful and I hope you enjoyed my video blog series on financial planning for families. If you have any feedback or questions, or if there are any other topics that you'd like me to address in future vlog series, I'd be more than happy to hear from you. So thanks for tuning in and I look forward to seeing you in another series.